What's up, YouTube? This is Boy You Trippin' TV here. Today's unboxing video, we will be unboxing my new iPhone. So let's go ahead and unbox this right now. I'm not gonna do too much. Make sure I hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ordered a new iPhone. I know what it is, man. Oh yeah, it gave us some new information and stuff like that. Y'all can also see I ordered a new iPhone. Y'all wanna see what it is? Everybody can see it for themselves as well. What kind of phone is it? So we ordered the new, it's a new XR. I want you guys to see that right now for yourself. It's a new XR. So everybody just tune in and see it for yourself. Hold up. Here you go. Here it goes right here, the new XR. Y'all can see it for yourself. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's let it focus. Okay, y'all can see the colorway and stuff like that, and see the screen and all that good stuff on here. Brand new. It's all new, so it's a new iPhone. So everybody tune in. Let's go ahead and cut this on and see if it need to be booted up at all or nothing like that. It need to be booted up. If it does, then I'm gonna have to boot it up for y'all. Give me 1 minute to take this off right here. Let's see if it needs to be cut on. Come on, cut on. Come on, cut on, cut on, cut on. Uh-oh, it might be dead, y'all. So I'm gonna have to charge it up. Or whatever. Give me 1 minute. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it right now. I'm gonna take y'all with me to the bedroom right now, because I know what we gonna do. We're gonna unbox this, man, together. You know what it is. So y'all tune in. Continue to support this channel, because you know we going a long way, and we working hard. You know, I'm working real hard with y'all. Literally, no cap. Working hard. So right now, what I'm gonna do is grab my iPhone charger. Y'all can see. I'm gonna show y'all my other iPhone in a minute. So give me 1 second. Let me set this down. Also, let me get this booted up right now, because I don't want to take too much time with y'all. I want y'all to know we got more content coming soon to this channel. And both of my YouTube channels, Boy You Trippin' TV and also Boy You Trippin' Vlogs, man. Y'all continue to keep showing y'all support for my channel. And I'm going to keep y'all updated with more content. My bad, I apologize. That was nothing. Okay, so y'all can see the other iPhone right there. Move the other iPhone right now. Okay, I got the other iPhone. Okay, so I'm back. So I had the first, this was the iPhone 11. This was the iPhone 11. Let me switch the camera up right here. My bad, I apologize. I don't got a tripod. My tripod I ordered today, so it'll be here. Should be here in 2 or 3 days. I will unbox that as well, so hey. Alright, so this is the iPhone 11, y'all can see. Y'all see the screen, y'all probably talking about, oh, that's a girly case. Don't mind the case. The case was a good case. I actually grabbed the wrong case from the store. Thought it was a clear case. I didn't look at the design and I didn't see it because they had it covered up at first. They only showed the top of the case or whatever and stuff like that, so I didn't know. Okay, keep in mind. So this is the XR, and this is the iPhone 11. Y'all can see major differences, right? Can y'all see them? I mean, they look like the same phone. It's just the iPhone 11 had a second camera. I don't need a second camera. I got a camera. Well, I need it for, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna let this boot up. As y'all can see right now, it's charging right now. So we'll let it charge and see if it waits or whatever. We'll wait about 5 minutes or whatever. See if it let it boot up. Cause I have a fast charger. I have a USB-C. I have the USB-C cord. Y'all can see for yourself right here as well. We letting it charge up. I don't know why my camera not focusing on it. There we go. We have it plugged in for extension cord. And also, let's talk about the stuff that came in the box with it. It says Apple oh, it said everything. It's telling you about the phone and everything that's working and stuff like that. All of its function and stuff. Let you know. They give you the sticker about it. You know, because they don't want you to know. They don't want to sell you no phone that let you know. And either how it go. People do that. Put in this sticker because they want no problem. Okay. Also, we got a we got a SIMS card in this inside this envelope here. I guess I'm gonna slide my hand through here like this. Just like that. We're gonna open this up right now. See what's inside. I believe, yeah. Figure it's a SIMS card. Yeah, it's a SIMS card, which I already have one already. I can just take the other one out my old iPhone 11 right here. Take it out right here. Now you can see the front of the screen. This phone is like messed up. It got ran over by a car. So I'll tell you the story right now why it's charging right now. So I decided to go for a walk, and I said, okay, well, I'm going for a walk, whatever. Let me just stream this as well. It'll be nice to stream, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay. And I'm was streaming it. So I decided to stream, going to the store and also going to the bank. I recorded myself doing it as well. And then I totally forgot that my phone had dropped on me when I was out and about. And then I go back up to 8 Mile, where it's at, and I see it laying down like this in the street. Like literally, look, it was laying just like this in the street. So it fell out my back pocket. I put it in my back pocket and it fell out. You know what I'm saying? Which is sad, you know. So I didn't know about it at the time, and I was upset about it. So also, I'm gonna check and see what else comes in the they gave me, I don't know why they couldn't just give me a regular box, you know, iPhone box, but they guess they, you know, started to give me one of these. That's how Boost Mobile does it, because I ordered it offline. So yeah, everybody tune in. Oh, they gave me a nice little good charger to come with it though, you know. They like gave me one of these, and then also look, they gave me a good old lightning cord too. Can you zoom in? Come on, focus. Can you focus on it? Let me see what it says. Let's take it out the package first and see what it says, everybody. Because why would it focus if the words, there we go, here we go. Now you guys can see it. Can it work? Can you focus now? Please focus. Focus. There we go. Lightning cable. So this is the lightning cable here, I believe. So y'all know what it is. It's a brand new lightning cable. They gave me a brand new light. I got like 6 of these now. So this is the 6th one I have now. We got 6 of them. So we right now using the fast charger one right now. So it should charge it up quickly. And it's still not charged up yet. So we're gonna wait and see how long we gotta wait to charge it up. And my phone is getting already dirty already as it is. Y'all tune in, man, for more content. There we go. It's cutting on. The new iPhone, man. Y'all know what it is. Let me stop. Let me focus. Let it focus. Let it focus. Let it focus. Come on. My camera is not letting me focus. There you go. So we gotta swipe it up and let y'all go through with me right now. Set the settings and stuff like that. English and United States and quick menu. We don't need to assign it to the Wi-Fi at the house. That's easy right now. I'll do that right now. Alright, we in the Wi-Fi now and everything, y'all. So yeah, we're in the Wi-Fi. There we go. It says connect here. You gotta do the Apple face. We'll just do that right now. Ain't nothing wrong with that. There you go. There you go, guys. Second scanner is already completed. Face ID has, come on, focus. Y'all can see the color. Looks nice and everything. We just gotta set the password and stuff like that. I'm gonna go with like a 4-digit password like I did before. Yeah, let's save it anyway. Use anyways, yeah. Use anyways. Appreciate y'all showing a lot of love. Y'all can see my old iPhone right here. I know a lot of people hating on me, but it is what it is though. Let's see, restore from iCloud backup. We gotta assign it to my Apple ID right now. And then yeah, let's go ahead and assign it to this right now and get everything situated. And then I'm gonna show y'all that the phone does work. Cause a lot of people like, oh bro, you bought a phone, a new phone, bro. Does it work? Yeah, it worked. Why would it not work, y'all? Why would it not work? You know how people are. People say negative things and stuff. This is an unboxing video. Y'all stay tuned. We got the charger here. They gave us a new USB, which is nice. And then it's not Apple, but you know, it's similar to Apple. So y'all know what it is. Hold up. A message. Okay, I didn't get it. It says I can't use this. I can't use it. I can't use it. I can't use it. I can't. Start a recovery. Hold up. I'm about to figure it out. A recovery. Phone number. I know the whole phone number right now. I just hate that it won't let me log into this account. Because you know why. Oh my goodness. hit you anyways. Okay, we'll send this to the code to the email. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna just go ahead and end it because I have to send the code to my computer here and be able to sign in. But I'll be having it, my phone situated after this video's over. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all watching this upload. This unboxing video of the iPhone XR. Love y'all. Peace.